Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Controller Ultimate Edition on the Xbox One / Xbox Series X. So I picked this up yesterday for 25 quid, I think it was. So yeah, this is the Ultimate Edition. It's basically you've got all the expansions and stuff as well. Yes, I know I did have the original on the Xbox One, but I've now got the Series X, so this is essentially a brand new game. Being the Ultimate Edition, and obviously you get the upgrade as well, so to the Series X version, so that's cool. But yeah, really looking forward to going through this again. I thoroughly enjoyed the last one, the one on the Xbox One. So yeah, there's the front. Winner of over 80 awards. There's the side, and there's the back. A game we'll be talking about for generations. So yeah, everything is your weapon. Is optimised for Series X, 4K Ultra HD, and all that jazz. Inside, we just have the disc. But yeah, as I said, really looking forward to going through this again. Can't wait to play it again. So yeah, that's it for my rather quick unboxing of Control Ultimate Edition on the Series X, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers, bye bye.